Our world is full of mysteries. Every now and then, something out of the blue happens and leaves everyone in complete awe. Over the years, so many mysterious events have happened that barely anyone could ever explain them. Today, we will be talking about such 10 mysterious events which will make you question. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. The Sky Trumpets. The Sky Trumpets is a phenomenon counted across the world. Citizens of Canada, Germany, Sweden, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Australia have all reported hearing trumpet-like sounds in the air. In Gothenburg, one man even recorded the phenomena happening and uploaded it to the YouTube in 2018. The noise made by the trumpet is not very pleasant to the ears, and nobody has any explanation about how did it happen. Obviously, the believers of God thought that the sound is biblical, the 7 trumpets of the apocalypse, and the crazy minds believe that these are alien sounds coming from some other planet. Maybe they are right. Number 9. Struck. Roy C. Sullivan is the Guinness World Record holder for the most lightning strikes survived. Do they have a record for that too? Awesomely, Sullivan was struck 7 times in his lifetime. Sullivan was a park ranger in Virginia and had the image of the unluckiest man in the world. He was first struck in 1942 and in 1969 after that. Well, he was indeed unlucky when he struck 5 times more in the 1970s. The last lightning strike left him with a bizarre scar on his chest and stomach. The lightning strike sure have current worth 100 million volts, and surviving that 7 times in 2 decades is not everyone's cup of tea. In fact, the chances of being struck are just 1 in 3,000. And not many people encounter lightning strikes in all their lifetime. But being its victim for 7 times is a huge record. Reports say that Sullivan took his own life after he was rejected by her crush and couldn't handle the pressure. How's that? Number 8. The Dead Blackbirds. This is pretty hilarious, but what would be your reaction if you are having on New Year's Eve and the next day your driveway is full of dead birds? I mean, not 1 or 2, but thousands of them. Well, this happened in 2011, just around midnight in the town of Beebe, Arkansas, United States, when the blackbirds suddenly started falling lifeless on the ground. When the cleanup operation took place, the number of dead birds came out to be 5,000. The birds were found to have suffered blunt force trauma colliding with trees, cars, buildings. Foremost, because it was New Year's Eve, fireworks were suspected, but around the same time, 100,000 drumfishes washed up on the banks of the Arkansas River. Weirdly, these 2 places were just 125 miles away from each other, and the residents thought that this might be the end of the world. As the scientists claimed that the world would actually end in 2012, this same event repeated again around the same time. On the New Year's Day, the blackbirds again started falling even when the town banned the fireworks that year to prevent the bird from dying. We don't know any reasons yet. Number 7. The fish frozen in time. What would be your reaction on finding out a fish actually frozen in a vertical ice wave? Kindergarten teacher and a mature photographer Kelly Priam was taking a walk near South Dakota's Lake Andes National Wildlife Refuge in March 2015 when she clicked this picture. I don't know why did she wait 2 years to share this picture online, but when she did, people went insane. Upon speaking to the news publications and reporters, she said there were thousands of frozen fishes on the beach. As per theories, the lake was covered with thick ice due to big snowfall, which in turn disrupted photosynthesis for algae beneath the water, which means the fishes suffered from lack of oxygen. but the reason behind the formation we see in the picture still remains a mystery. Number 6. The Battle of Los Angeles. On 24th of February 1942, one of the strangest events of the American history took place. This happened amid the Second World War at the time that the US had entered into war with Japan, followed by a surprise attack on Pearl Harbor. Naval intelligence issued a warning that an attack could happen any minute. That night, flares and blinking lights were seen in the sky, causing air raid sirens to go on. A total blackout of the city was ordered and the United States military started shooting at it. Strangely, nothing came down. No one from the light source fired in defense or aircraft came down. The event went on until next day morning and made it to the front pages of the newspaper. Weirdly, everything was considered a false alarm and a lot of people assumed that the United States government is keeping secrets from its people. The military was quite sure that they shot at an aircraft, but when nothing came down by their bullets, it was all considered a hoax with no explanation till date. Number 5. The change of the humpbacks. Recently, it was reported that humpback whales have been forming supergroups, which is very odd behavior for these typical creatures. It was observed before that the only reason these creatures would meet is to breed. Marine biologists confirm that the large groups of whales ranging from 20 to 200 traveling together at a time. They have also been subjected to change their whale song as well. However, the change in the tune is because of the new ships in the ocean. Scientists can't really explain why their behavior has changed. The researchers are working together to look for the answers, have called the event intense and novel. Number 4. The space war. As per scientific theories, space is all vacuum and sound waves can't travel through them, whereas radio waves can, and they have been all this time. The question is, what is their source? Scientists say that most objects in the universe emit radio waves, including stars. The Milky Way, our own galaxy, is said to give out a cosmic hiss. In 2008, NASA started discussing a space war, a booming sound 6 times louder than anything they expected to hear. Some say it could be due to a giant burst of radiation possibly left over from Big Bang. But who does have proofs even about Big Bang? Although, even after 10 years have passed by and no one knows the reason behind such mysterious events. Number 3. The Fire Eagle's Nest. It is named so because of its peculiar shape. It was discovered in 1949 by a Russian geologist. This unusual rock formation is in Irkutsk, Siberia, and looks much similar to a bird's nest to me. The structure is 500 feet in diameter and known to be 250 years old. The round shape in between seems like an egg. If it is an egg, what would happen if it hatches? No one really is sure about how old this formation is, and no idea either about where did it come from. Although there are many theories about the formation, such as people believe that this is a huge slag heap, but researchers have proved that the population of the area was never big enough for that scale of industrial effort. The area has now background radiation, which has led some to suspect it could have been a nuclear testing site. Number 2. The City in the Sky. In the month of October in 2015, something weirdly suspicious was seen in the clouds over the Chinese city of Fujian. Most of the eyewitnesses claimed to see city buildings rising up in the sky. By some concerned citizen, the phenomenon was captured and uploaded to YouTube. Just like other strange events, this event has theory that this might be an evidence of a parallel universe's existence, whereas others thought it was done by NASA by projecting holograms into the sky. At last, it came out to be a mirage called Vita Morgana. This happens when light rays are bent by dense air in warm conditions. Evidently, the same event took place just after 2 years in another Chinese city. Coincidence or a sign? Number 1. The Breathing Earth. Insanity, here we go. In 2018, John Arthur caught the video of the earth breathing on his camera. Do you see those flexible movements? I mean, the land is actually going up and down. This forest is Sacre Coeur in Quebec looks a lot alive to me. What is even going on? This doesn't look any less than a movie scene to me. The scientists actually have something to say that events like this occur when the ground is saturated and the conditions are very windy. Inhaling and exhaling is the work of strong winds pulling the trees upward along with the forest ground. That ground looks so scary and intriguing at the same time. And here we are. This was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and would not hesitate giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Unleashed for daily spooky content. Also, why don't you comment down below which of these events you have an explanation for. Until next time, keep vibing.